In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a LinkedIn request error. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is log into your LinkedIn account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, enter your login credentials to sign in. If you've forgotten your password, LinkedIn provides an easy password recovery option. Just follow the prompts on the login page. After you've logged in successfully, head over to your profile. Look for the Me icon, which is usually located at the top of the homepage and will display your profile picture. Click on that icon and select View Profile from the drop-down menu that appears. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage most aspects of your account. Next, you'll want to access the Help Center. Once again, click on the Me icon. This time, you'll want to look for the Help option. Depending on the version of LinkedIn you're using, you might find this option under the More tab or at the very bottom of the page in the footer. Clicking on the Help option is your gateway to resolving any issues, including request errors. Within the Help Center, look for a section that says Submit a Request. This button or link is often tucked away under various sections like Account and Preferences. Click on that and it will guide you to the support form you need to fill out. Now, let's talk about the form. When it opens, make sure to fill it out with as much detail as possible. Start by clearly stating that you are receiving the You've already submitted a request error. Being specific about the error will help the support team understand your issue better. Then, explain what action you were taking when this error appeared. Were you trying to connect with someone or sending an invitation? The more context you provide, the more efficiently they can assist you. Additionally, include any relevant account information to expedite the process. This could be details like the type of device you're using, the browser version, or any other information that might help the support team get a clearer picture of your situation. Once you've filled out the form completely, it's time to submit your request. Go ahead and click the Submit button to send your request to the LinkedIn support team. After this, it's usually a waiting game, so be sure to keep an eye on your email for any updates they might send regarding your issue. And there you have it. You've learned how to fix a LinkedIn request error by navigating through their support system. This process can seem a bit daunting, especially if you're not very tech-savvy, but following these steps will help guide you through it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and good luck resolving your LinkedIn issue.